The orchestrator has awakened.
So far, everything's fine, although one of the nodes woke up with a hangover.
Reviving pods should be considered art. Look how beautiful this one turned out.
Scaling nodes is like breathing. If you do it wrong, you suffocate.
Nothing like fixing YAML in the middle of the forest without syntax errors. Finally. Hey Prometheus, how do you see the cluster today? Do we have a mess or breathe easy? Grafana shows you how. Do you know what eternity is?
Seeing how this deployment updates. Great. For using spot instances, ha! A goodbye instance. Long live the cloud, right?